Like,
Oh,
ding, ding,
nice.
ding, ding, ding. Yeah. I suck at singing. Na 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 chandiri re. Oh God, it was so bad. I don't like padhai likhai much. When I saw the actors coming out of the vanity
Hmm.
with the umbrella on the top, I was
Yeah.
like, dude, that's the best part. Oh yeah. Oh. Sorry. My first producer calls me Sunny Deol because I walk like a guy.
What? क्योंकि मेरी आंखें भी बहुत छोटी हैं।
Nothing. I love कचौड़ी. It's my favorite food. दाल की कचौड़ी. आप तो बड़ी मोटी लगती हैं on screen. ऐसे तो आप बड़ी पतली हैं. Dude, I always used to be the guy in the group. They
Yeah.
used to give me mustache and make me a boy, and Hamisha I was at the back. The only sad part is you don't get good guys of good height. It's almost the same height और आपसे छोटे. अगर थोड़ी सी heels पहन ली तो आप तो मतलब I am broader and then I have a height. So
Yeah, yeah.
I would want someone who has the build. And
That
yes, I'm single.
excitement of having.
I'm not dating anyone because that's the constant question which has been there since the day I've joined the industry.
जरा देर में ये क्या हो गया नजर में
तेरा इश्क मेरी है आरज़ू तेरा इश्क मेरी पनाह
Sure.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good, Samiksha. How are you doing?
I'm good, I'm good. This was I was in a rush, फटाफट ready हुई आ गई भागते भागते.
मतलब इस फटाफट रेडी होने में भी और लाइनर इज ऑन फ्लीक, हाँ समीक्षा?
Damn, I'm telling you. I was thinking while putting liner, I should have done it here only. Then I thought, I don't know, I would have panicked or something. And then यहाँ पे चला जाता.
But,
So,
but
yeah.
yeah, you tell me how are things? How is it going? Where are you right now? Are you in Mumbai? Are you back home?
No, I am in my hometown. That's Indore.
Okay.
And yeah, I've been here since March. I went for the wedding, and then just after the wedding, it was a lockdown situation which happened.
I'm sure जब से you must have started working, this is the longest you must have stayed with your family. Is that
Yeah,
correct?
actually, after 4 years, first 2 years I was in Delhi, I actually never got time to even come for a day to Indore. And then I went to Bombay. So, yeah, after 4 long years, I have literally stayed for so long. Not even a month in a
Right.
row, I have been to Indore, stayed in Indore. So
So,
it's fun, yeah, it's fun. All
so
of my
like
friends
back to
are here.
back to the childhood days. What are you
Yeah.
cribbing about your mother? कि मुझे ये इतने बजे मत
Yeah.
उठाओ, ये मत करो, मुझे ये मत खाने में दो. All that is happening.
Exactly. Totally pampered left, right, center. I've been eating, gaining weight, trying to reduce now. Gained so much, gained so damn much. Finally started going to gym with my childhood friends.
Okay.
Now that they are also here in the
Right.
town because obviously they've also taken their leaves till December. So yeah.
Samiksha, let's talk about a little bit about your journey. I know you have spoken about it at length, but it's my own curiosity and for all your fans over here. इंदौर की
Yeah.
लड़की जिसका कोई भी फिल्म का बैकग्राउंड नहीं है, इंडस्ट्री का बैकग्राउंड नहीं है, फैमिली में कोई नहीं है इंडस्ट्री से, how did this happen? Like ये कीड़ा कहाँ से दिमाग में आया कि you want to become an actor?
I think I've always had that in back of my head that I want to be an actor. Though it took a lot of time and guts for me to come out in front of my dad to tell him that I want to be because, as you said, that I don't belong to the industry, and when you come from a non-industry background, usually people have a mindset about it. So he thought it's a very difficult industry and exploited and all of that. So how will you even get into it? And I don't know how, but yeah, once I was in college and one of the producer from the industry is my senior.
Okay.
Happened to be my senior. So he liked me when he came for a recruitment kind of thing as a guest. So he liked me, he wanted to cast me for Behad. And then it didn't happen at the moment because I was obviously in the college. But because of that, I think my number got circulated or something. And then Kate Key, who was the creative director with Saurav Tiwari.
Uh-huh.
for Mehak, my first show. They wanted to cast me for another one, The Gulam,
Okay.
for the same production house. They contacted me for that. They sent me a simple monologue, which my producer has also shared on Instagram. It's a first ever audition I've ever given properly. So they really liked me, and they called me and convinced my dad, made him sit and, explain that, because the show was to happen in Delhi. So my dad and I never heard of any show not, happening outside Bombay. So he was a bit, he was skeptical about the whole thing. So all of my producers sat down and, explained it to my dad that, because I was 19 at the time,
Yeah.
and that we'll take care of her. And they did. And they literally took care of me like a kid back then when I was doing it. Yeah.
But do you remember that monologue जो आपने पहला audition shoot किया था? Was it in front of a like a professional camera? Did you get the jitters? What was it like?
No, it was so funny. I made my cousins sit for an hour because I wanted it to be so perfect, and I wanted it to be like, at least I wanted to give my best. I made him sit and lock the room from inside, and he sat there, bichara, and recorded that on his phone for an hour. So many takes I've taken us time pe. I think I took like around 11 takes, and then I decided nahi ye acha hai, nahi ye acha hai.
Not bad.
And then
Yeah, 11 is good enough. Yeah, for the first time, yeah, 11 is very good.
But like, I made him sit, and I think it paid off, because of that particular monologue, that audition. I think they wanted to continue with me, because when I came down to Bombay and for the look test, the other producer, Sumit ma'am, said to me that अगर इसमें नहीं हुआ, we are definitely going to take you in Mehak. Like, Gulam के लिए मैं आई थी, and if that doesn't work out, and we'll definitely be taking you for Mehak. So they were very sure.
Okay.
So I was like,
So it's been so far of like a dream run for you, Samiksha. I mean, your first show, out and out success. I believe that's your
Yeah.
first paycheck. I mean, पहला show जो आपने किया, जो इतनी बड़ी success हो गया, and that is what is your first job, right? People
Yeah.
have so many struggling stories, so you don't have that, do you?
I think my struggle started when I joined in, because as I said, my show was not in Delhi, was not shot in Delhi. Sorry, Bombay.
Bombay,
It was
yeah.
in Delhi.
Yeah.
So there were no like rules, regulations, or any limited hours of us shooting. I still remember we started shooting in August.
Okay.
And my first one day off was in November on my birthday.
Oh,
and
God.
that yeah, we used to work like 16 hours a day. There were no 12 hours for the first show. Literally blood, sweat, tears, everything was in it.
Okay, you are in Indore right now. मैं अभी इस live पे हूँ, मुझे अपने भाई का message आया, and he keeps giving me this tana that when are you going to come to Indore? So you are an Indorian. You tell me, and you hard sell your city to me. What is the best part of Indore? I mean, what will Samiksha Jaiswal tell me? क्यों आना चाहिए?
Food. I am a big time foodie. You have to come Indore, and I'll take you around, and you will love the food here.
Okay.
It's you can't match. मतलब Delhi का मैं नहीं हूँ, but if you'll come here, I can guarantee a 15 rupee, a plate of poha will give you
Wow.
that satisfaction कि you will be like, wow, यहाँ
और
का सब कुछ
कहाँ जाते हो आप?
I
Where-
think-
What is your favorite haunt?
I love kachori. It's my favorite food, dal ki kachori. So I usually go and have it at Vijay Chaat House.
Okay.
That's my like go-to place, which is in Chappan.
Okay.
And Chappan pe, have you heard of Johnny Hot Dog? I think it has the biggest sale in Asia.
Okay, yeah.
It's really 25 rupee, 25 bucks. That's it. And no, I think 50. I don't remember. So, when I'm in there, I'm not paying parents.
Yeah.
I don't. So it's yum. I mean, I've gained all the weight because I've been मम्मी के हाथ का खाना, बाहर का सब कुछ. Yeah.
You were talking about your first audition. Let me go back a bit. Were you like a stage friendly person in school or college? कुछ मतलब when did you first think that okay fine you have a knack for acting and this is something that you can take on as like a steady profession in future?
Yeah, so basically, I've always acted. I was always into extracurriculum since school. I've not been a nerd. I don't like padhai likhai much, but I was a swimmer, always swimming, always in the pool. But I decided to become an actor when I was in college, and I am from a media college only. So we used to, experiment a lot. We got the chance to, explore ourselves because I was also interested in set designing. So whenever our summer breaks were there, yeah. So during the summer break, I came to Bombay, worked under an art director as a set designer for this movie called Rapta, Flying Jet,
Okay.
Remo D'Souza's.
Yes.
And not a lot, but for a month, sourcing and everything, and did one ad. And then I realized that I do enjoy it, but it takes a lot of work. It's like you work 24 hours when you are a set designer. You're on set and set ka kaam ho bhi jata, and after that you have to go home and still prepare for the next day. So it's never ending. And when I saw the actors coming out of the vanity with the umbrella on the top, I was like, dude, that's the best part. And you know what I personally experienced was, even if you were working, you don't really get the credit because you're not at that level. But when you are in front of the camera, it's your face, so it's going to be you all the time. Not just that, but when I acted, I never felt acting as work. I always enjoyed it. So that made me clear कि नहीं, I will choose something which doesn't, feel like work to me, and I love it. And how many people get chance, to do what they love?
Correct.
So,
You must be receiving a lot of comments and DMs from you. I mean, from your Instagram handle and everything. One thing that is a constant, like a perpetual question that you want to address. What is that from your fans?
when I'm going to come back on screen is the question which recently I've been getting a lot. But guys, as I said that I will take time, I think, and if only something very good comes up, and then only I'm going to pick it up. Baki, I really don't think they have any other questions as of now because, and
That
yes, I'm single,
excitement of having.
I'm not dating anyone because that's the constant question which has been since the day I've joined the industry. So, no, guys, I'm single. Please find me someone. I will love to date someone hot, charming, tall.
Has to be tall. Has to be
Yeah,
tall.
I am 5'7". I want someone tall.
So, you know what? I wanted to ask you this in my next segment, but tell me, I mean, I am 5'7", 5'8" myself. What are the tall girl woes that you have faced in school and college? वापस लड़कों के साथ लाइन में खड़ा कर देते थे पीछे with the tall boys.
Dude, I always used to be the guy in the group. कभी भी कोई dance का show होता था, they used to give me mustache and make me a boy, and हमेशा I was at the back. I was a good dancer, but then they never ever gave me a chance to be the girl because I was always.
Why does it always happen? Like in DU, I was in a girls' college in the hostel. I was made to play the guy because I was tall. I mean, I'm tall.
I'm from a girls' school. I am from a girls' school, so always the boy. Always the boy.
और वो नहीं
So,
होता
yeah.
फ्रेंड के साथ सेल्फी लेना है तो ओके फाइन यू मस्ट बी हैविंग लॉन्गर आर्म्स तो भाई सेल्फी भी तुम ही लोगे बिकॉज़ यू आर द टॉलर वन.
I think in my group, I have 2 more people who are, I think, of my height. But the saddest part was me always being the guy. The annual function is there as the guy. Since bachpan se, I never got to wear.
School, college में you tend to hate this thing, right? कि अरे मैं क्यों इतनी लंबी हूँ? But then you suddenly begin to realize that it's an asset that not many people have. You know, this is one of the. Don't you think so? I mean, now that you are in this industry where everything is about perception and your image and how you look, that's something which is an asset.
No, I don't think I've never had that thing in me that मैं लंबी हूँ तो it was a sad thing.
Maybe
I
because you
always
were in
admired.
girls' school.
Yeah, I think so. Only that part was I was the guy always,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
that's it. I mean, yeah, but the only sad part is you don't get good guys of good height.
Yes.
I always, matlab, I'll meet a lot of people and it's almost the same height और आपसे छोटे. अगर थोड़ी सी heels पहन ली तो आप तो मतलब that's
You'll
the
be
only
towering
problem.
above. You'll be like 6 feet.
And though, yeah, I'm broad also. I'm broad too. I am broader and then I have a height. So
Yeah, yeah.
I would want someone who has the build.
Yeah.
So,
So
that's
guys,
talking
I
about
hope you
guys.
guys are making notes. I'm like, कैसा लड़का चाहिए? समीक्षा को. Okay, now on to my next segment, and so that आपकी coffee ठंडी ना हो क्योंकि हम इतनी सारी बातें कर रहे हैं. So I want you to hold your coffee cups. This is called sip
Okay.
and spill. Okay, Samiksha, ready?
Yeah.
Take a sip. Take a sip. If you are anal about having your eyeliner on fleek always.
Always. I'm famous for putting the eyeliner like on
Like a wig.
point.
But actually,
Yeah, like-
I've seen, even in your interviews, and not just your shows where the makeup is supposed to be in a
Really?
particular way. Yeah, it's like
Yeah.
a perfect wing. Huh?
Yeah, I've been doing it since I've always been a person who has always had the liner on me since college.
Okay.
After school, there hasn't been a day I haven't put liner on me. So I look too like I think my eyes are too small, so I just have to put something on my eyes or my eyes.
मतलब
will
मैं
look
इतना आइडेंटिफाई कर रही हूँ ना इन सब प्रॉब्लम से कि मैं क्या बताऊँ
Yeah,
मेरी आंखें भी बहुत छोटी
small eyes. Same. So I think my hand is good.
Nice. Okay. Next one. Take a sip if you have ever had a really crazy fan encounter.
Crazy, I think crazy as in emotionally.
Yeah.
Yeah, I have. I don't want to name. She might
Okay.
know. जिसके बारे में बात कर रही हूँ, but she's very like attached to me. Like, yeah, I have had crazy sentimental. Who has like one of with there was this lady who came from South, all the way from South, and then she came to the sets and waited for me. And I think I was sick or something. I was like literally going to the hospital or something, Rose.
Okay.
And she waited for 2 days on set and I couldn't meet her. I felt so bad. And then for 5 minutes, only for 5 minutes, I could meet her in the room and then she just hugged and cried. And it was just so
Goosebumps.
overwhelming.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
goosebumps. So yeah, I mean, there are people who have like loved me, who loves me like anything. So crazy.
That's nice. That's really nice, actually. Okay. Take a sip. If you would always, like by default, always pick up a good perfume while on a shopping spree.
Not really. I am stuck
perfume
to.
person.
I am. I love smelling good, but then I'm not like, yeah, I don't like shop perfume. I just have that one perfume, go-to perfume, which I
Yeah.
use.
Okay. All right. Which one's that? Everybody
That's
wonders.
that. Please gift me. I don't mind. My birthday's around. It's
Yeah.
from YSL. That's Black Opium YSL.
Like, yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Oh, nice. Okay. Take a sip if you've ever been fat shamed in school, college, or even in your profession.
Yeah.
You have.
All the time till date. Okay, literally, I feel really bad, you guys. Okay, so whenever a fan or someone who just, encounters and ऐसे एकदम से आ जाता है, and the first thing they always says, आप तो बड़ी मोटी लगती है on screen, ऐसे तो आप बड़ी पतली है. So basically,
In
yeah,
order to feel
that-
nice, yeah, they are, yeah.
yeah, so basically it doesn't come across as a compliment to me because
obviously.
yeah, and it's not, it doesn't, it has come from every single person I've met who has seen me, as a face to face after seeing me on screen that I look fat on screen and I don't when they see me in person. So yeah, I feel bad. I
Guys,
think with this
camera
broad
adds 10 pounds. Everybody who's on TV, like I've heard it from my makeup artist in Bombay when I go to Bombay because I function out of Delhi, and they're like, screen पे तो आप मोटी लगती है, but ऐसे तो you are like thin.
I know. I mean, I have to literally reduce 10 kgs to look okay in front of camera. My face is small. I am broad.
Yeah.
So what can I do? guys.
Yeah.
Please
That's a
accept me the way
structure.
I am.
Yeah, everybody
I
has a
will-
certain structure. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll not eat kachori ever.
No, you should always eat kachori. Why leave your favorite food? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Take a sip if you've written or received a love letter in your life.
I have. Written
Written
and
also.
received. Yeah.
School.
School, yeah, school and college.
Oh, nice. Sweet. Okay, take a sip if you have ever cut your own hair. Like cut your hair yourself.
Never.
Never dared. लॉकडाउन में भी नहीं. अच्छा घर पे रहते थे
नहीं.
तो फिर उतनी जरूरत नहीं पड़ी होगी.
हमें तो क्या ही जरूरत है लड़कियों को. आई थिंक अच्छे आई लव लॉन्ग हेयर सो आई एम ट्राइंग टू डू एनीवे. लड़कों को बहुत जरूरत है.
I swear. They've ended up looking like Wolverine, most of them during the lockdown. Okay. Take a sip if you have gone without sleeping just in order to binge watch and finish a series that you've been hooked onto.
Dude, I'm doing it daily.
Last time
Today
you
my gym-
loved sleeping.
I love sleeping, but I am a night owl. I can't sleep at night. मुझसे होता ही नहीं है. I'm not a morning person, but because today I had to, my gym class was at 6 in the morning, so I have to wake up at 5. So I didn't sleep because I was watching this series, and then I thought let's just complete it and then directly go to the gym and then come back and sleep. So yeah.
ट्रेनर ने नहीं बोला कि आंखों को क्या हो गया, लुकिंग लाइक अ ज़ॉम्बी, सोए नहीं हो गया.
वो खुद भी ऐसे ही आते हैं सुबह सुबह.
Okay.
You got
All right.
it.
Now we've heard so many camaraderie stories from the set. Yes, कितने अच्छे दोस्त हैं and everything. But take a sip. If you've ever fought with one of your co-actors, like literally fought कि नहीं मेरा take अच्छा नहीं हो रहा है, you shut up.
Arjit, we had such a bad fight on such a silly topic on set, and then we cried like babies. And literally, Arjit is 27. I'm about to be 25. Dinah, हम दोनों से छोटी है. She came in the middle to stop us, and then like we were literally fighting like two kids. We became two kids, and then we fought, and then finally we came, and then we hugged, and then like. It
मतलब
was
क्या
so
था?
stupid.
मेरा टेक अच्छा नहीं है, तुम्हारा टेक अच्छा है, मेरा प्रोफाइल बहुत.
I don't think it was that. Something else. Only we were talking and then we started arguing and then itna heat up ho gaya ki we started like pushing each other on set and it was so funny. It was so funny. We literally were fighting like two kids. We were so unprofessional. But
Okay. All right. Take a sip if you've ever attained a title or a nickname just because you have tomboyish ways.
no.
Never. Never been made fun of कि अरे तुम तो tomboy हो या you are certain.
Only my dad. I have always been a tomboy. I used to. Oh yeah. Oh. Sorry. How can I forget that? My first producer calls me Sunny Deol because I walk like a guy.
What?
So it was my first take ever. And I had to, walk, I think from here to here and to give PD Nimbu Pani. Take wake was okay. One take, that's it. It took 10 takes for me.
To walk?
Only the walking thing. Oh my God. And then he named me Sunny. He still calls me that. I used to walk like a guy. I'm not kidding. I used to be such a boy in school, college, yeah.
But that comes with your built and maybe the
No,
height.
I was very ladka. I still am like that. I have to be a bit like makeup, shake up, and thoda bahut like ab thoda sa I started dressing up. But I was a tomboy in school, college, and after that, because Saurasa saw that, so definitely. And nickname इतना प्यारा रखा है कि क्या बताऊं.
Well, funny Deol. I mean, yeah, that's actually he must have come up with something. But tell me something. How did you get this fascination for growing your hair and everything? Did you have long hair पहले भी बचपन में?
Always, I always had long hair since school.
So not a tomboy when it comes to the hair.
Yeah, no, but it's just my habits and the way I used to act in front of everyone. Yeah. That way, my nature.
Okay. What is your genre, like go-to genre when it comes to music, or do you like listening to anything? Or do you, there are particular go-to songs that you have?
No, nothing particular. Yeah, right now, as of now, I have been listening to a lot of indie songs, Hindi, and yeah, so yeah, I love independent music and जो soft होते हैं. Nowadays, I've been listening to this song called Jawab.
Okay.
Shan, something. I don't know the name of the artist. I don't
Okay.
remember, but Jawab. It has a beautiful beat, so I've been hooked to that song as of now. And then Bari is all-time favorite. Bilal
Okay.
Saeed, I think. Yeah.
Right. So this is the most difficult thing. If somebody asked me this, I would never be able to have this thing at the top of my head. But do
Your
you really
favorite
have
song?
a favorite song? Yeah.
But I have. It's my dream song. I want to like dance with a guy, like my final guy. It's खुदा जाने
Final?
बचना है, you know. Like,
Oh,
ding,
nice.
ding, ding, ding. Yeah, I love
Okay.
that song.
Do you sing also?
No, I have seen your lies and you make everyone sing. I am a terrible singer. Don't.
मतलब ये trap था ना? Trap इतना अच्छा trap था. You said your favorite song is there. You're playing the music also. Why not sing?
I suck. I suck at singing.
Okay, I'll just take one more question. तो भाई sorry guys, we can't get Samiksha to sing. तो आपको नहीं पता चलेगा कि वो कितना अच्छा या कितना खराब गाती है.
और मेरा first entry in Mehak was singing with a song. I literally had to sing that Lori. It was so bad. My first entry was with me singing such a bad Lori.
What was the Lori, Samiksha?
Huh?
क्या था Lori?
I don't
Do you
remember.
remember it?
Na 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 chandiri. Oh God, it was so bad.
Love you, ma'am, from Punjab. What is your upcoming show? We've already asked that. Did you bunk classes anytime? This is an interesting question by Mansi.
All the time. I never. मैं बता रही हूँ आज तुम सबको. I have never attended college का. I have only attended number of classes जिसको मैं attend करके दीवार ना हो जाऊँ. So attendance matter करता था. So college में उतने ही सिर्फ I think if there were 20 classes then I used to attend around 5 to 6 or 7 max. और मैं नहीं attend करती थी. I always used to bunk and chill and go here and there all the time. Even in school मुझे क्लास के बाहर ही खड़ा कर दिया जाता था permanently punishment के तौर पे. Only my partner used to be changed बार हर उसके बाद ना. I was the permanent one and मेरा partner change होता रहता था punishment के
Were
time
you
पे.
the shaitan bacha of school, like always?
Yeah.
The crazy shaitan
Yeah.
one. And
Yeah,
the teachers
always.
could pinpoint कि अच्छा ये तो समीक्षा नहीं किया होगा.
पीटी वो पेरेंट्स टीचर मीटिंग तो मेरे लिए सबसे स्कैरी हुआ करता था बिकॉज मुझे पता होता था सारी टीचर्स कंप्लेन करेंगी तो वो होता ही once there was this one teacher who made me go out of the class कि saying कि I want to talk to your parents alone and I was like oh my god I am gone and I so yeah that
Okay, all right, Samiksha, this was really, really lovely, and it was really nice talking to you.
It was so fresh. It was so new. You had such wonderful questions for me, something
you.
different. I really enjoyed it. Yeah.
Thank you so much. That's really sweet of you to say. And you're getting
Thank
all the
you for
hearts
having
from
me.
all the fans
Yeah.
over here. इतने सारे दिल आपके लिए.
Thank you guys. I love you all so much. Thanks for being there for me since day one.